Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmiya Green School, Standard 5th, subject Maths. So we are started to write the notes on the chapter 7, that is geometry, right? So we have completed, I think, quadrilaterals and properties of triangle also completed. Just revise for 2 minutes, okay? The sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. The sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. We have solved on these properties of a triangle the exercises, okay? So next is the types of angles. So according to sides there are three types of angles, and according to angles there are three types of triangle, right? So let's start one by one, okay? So first, a triangle with one right angle is called an right angle triangle. A triangle with one obtuse angle is called an obtuse angle triangle. A triangle with three angles are acute, then it is called acute angle triangle. A triangle with its three sides equal is called an equilateral triangle. A triangle with two sides equal is called an isosceles triangle. Then next, a triangle with all sides are different is called scalene triangle. Okay, so triangles is completed. Now next topic is circle. So for this topic you have to draw the diagram of circle. I think everyone now practice to draw the circles. Here you have to take any radius. Okay. First point, a, a circle is a closed figure. Okay, I have not said it is a polygon, it is a closed figure because it is made of curve. So next point, every point on this curved line is at equal distance from a fixed point inside the circle. This fixed point is called the center of the circle. See here, O is the center of a circle. From O you can take any point on the circle, it is at equal distance, that's why it is called the center. Okay. Now perimeter of the circle is called the circumference. The boundary of the circle is known as the complete distance of the boundary, that is perimeter of a circle is called circumference of a circle. Okay. Now next point, the distance between the center and any point on the circle is called its radius. Okay, the distance between any point on the circle and the center is called the radius. A line segment passing through the center of a circle whose end points lie on the circle is called the diameter of a circle. We are all study all the points, but I have to given this point to write down because it is important. When during the teaching you understand, but after that you forget it. But these are the basic things. So you have these are the basic of the geometry. So what is circle, what is radius, what is diameter. So you have to know about the types of triangle, about the quadrilaterals also. Okay, so that's why you have to write it and understand it. Okay, on this you can solve the examples. Okay, so the diameter of a circle is twice the radius, or we can say radius is half of the diameter. Both answers are correct. Okay, the meaning of both statement is same. The line segment whose end points lie on the circle is called chord. A diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Then any part of a circle is called an arc of the circle. Then half a circle is called semicircle. Semicircle is also an arc. Remember this thing. Semicircle is also an arc. Okay. Now these are the two formulas. Circumference is equal to 3.14 multiplied by d, otherwise we can say 27 upon d multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by d, where d for diameter. Okay. Then second, circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by r, that is 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r. So r for radius. Okay. Next. So this we have to start now. We have completed all the notes. So you have to write all these notes in your CW copy. Okay. Now, now we will start solving mathematics A. You have to solve mathematics A only in book. I will repeat again. You have to solve mathematics A only in book. Okay. So open your books. Take pencil. Okay, page number 125. Okay, now see, you can see on the screen also, but it is a little bit blur. So you have to solve in you have to solve in book, page number 125, and refer on the screen also. See, first question, measure each angle and say what type is it. So can anyone tell me the type of angles? Zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle and straight angle. Right now? So let's start. So with the help of protractor you have to measure this angle. Now which this is clockwise or anti-clockwise? See, it moves from right to left. So you have to take anti-clockwise measurement. Okay, and measure it. Don't write as ma'am has written here 70 degrees. You have to measure it with the help of protractor. Get it? So by measurement it is 70 degree. And can anyone tell me which type of angle is it? It is acute angle triangle. Oh, sorry, not triangle. It is acute angle as it is less than 90 degree. Now next. So it is in clockwise direction. See here, the angle moves from left to right. So you have to take the scale which is in clockwise, that is inner scale, right? So by measurement we can say it is 100. Okay, and what is type of this angle now means? It is obtuse angle. Okay, now next. So you have to measure this angle. So it is 90 degree and it is right angle. Okay, everyone has independently measured these angles with the help of protractor. Okay, and then only you have to write the measurement here. Then you have to think about it. What is it? Maybe less than 90 degree, greater than 90 degree or 90 degree, and then you have to write the answers. Okay, so let's start the second question. Fine. Using ruler and protractor for construct an angle 40 degree on ray AB. Now see here, you have to this is the ray AB. Okay, it moves towards the left side. Now it is left side, so we have to draw in this manner, that is from left to right. So what is this direction, left to right? It is clockwise now, right? So which scale you have to use? Okay, so you have to use the inner scale and measure it. Okay, next, draw it with the help of protractor and ruler and name it, and you have to write the measurement also. Okay, so independently you have to do the question second also. Now see this one.